What's up, friends? This is Suhit again with you, and you're watching Travel with Suhit. Right now we are having a fabulous train journey, once in a lifetime experience. We are going through the Bhagwan Mahabir National Park, where the famous waterfall Dudhsagar is situated. And it goes so fast actually, and it's in mid of March, so the water is dried out, and we couldn't, it goes just past in 1 second. So you can still enjoy the view from here. From top, the view is fabulous. Hey guys, we are just near to Kali River. You can see the river flowing, rushing through. Beautiful river, water is very clear. And there are lots of interesting activities here, like rafting. You can do some boating, kayaking. So we are going there to check out. Maybe we'll do some activities. Definitely we are going to shoot some nice, amazing videos for you guys, so that you know about this place more. And let's go down and then we'll talk more about this place, and we will show you as well. Hey, once again we are at Kali River. Right now we have been paddling in this beautiful raft, and if you see the surrounding beauty, it's beautiful. And I have been doing lots of traveling in Himachal, in Ladakh also, but so far this river actually is completely mesmerizing. I really loved it. Yes, we have just done it. We have just completed awesome rafting in this famous and beautiful, fabulous river. I can't stop telling, I can't stop praising this river. I have been to Ladakh, I have been to Manali, I have been to Bias, I have been to Alaknanda, Mandakini. I'm not saying that other rivers are not that good looking, but this is the best. The scenery wise, the landscape wise, the color and the transparency of water is fabulous. It's the best, whatever I have seen in my whole life. And the rafting was good. The guides are professional here, the instructors are professional. They take care of their clientele. So anyone who's traveling in Karnataka or near Dandeli, I would suggest you definitely, this is a must go. This is a must do place. You have to come here. Cheers. So we are at the restaurant right now in Nature Homestay. The yummy looking meals are already ready. So we'll be starting our lunch. Very hungry now. Really, we have been waiting for this. So let's get to see. Okay. ये क्या है?
This is chapati.
Okay, this is the chapati, Indian bread.
Mixed veg.
This is mixed veg.
Cabbage.
This is cabbage with some spices.
The rices, sir.
This is plain Indian rice.
This is sambar.
Okay, this is sambar.
Sweet semai.
This is a dessert, vermicelli with milk and the chicken curry. What I can say, I'll just take a plate and start eating. Bon appetit.